All right, problem number 2. All right, so on this one, you want to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and start off by making the y equals 0 because we're going to chase after that x-intercept first. The y happens to be at the end over here this time. So I will plug in a 0 right there and drop everything else. Negative 5x minus 10 equals 0. So you want to get the x by itself. We're solving for x. And the 5 is bothering it. The negative 5 is bothering the x. And so is the negative 10. Who do you get rid of first? Well, you need to get rid of the one that's furthest away first, that negative 10. So we're going to go opposite of minus 10 is plus 10. Do that to both sides. And now we drop what's left. Don't forget to drop that negative sign. It's negative 5x equals 0 plus 10 is 10. Our next step is to get rid of that negative 5. It's being multiplied, so we need to divide in order to get rid of it. Don't forget to take the negative sign with you. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other side. And so the 5's cancel out and the negatives cancel out, and x is now alone. X equals however many times 5 goes into 10. 5 goes into 10 twice, and there's a negative there, so it's going to be negative 2. Okay, and so we put our answer in a coordinate point, and so our answer was x equals negative 2 when y equals 0. Our next step now is to find the other intercept, which is going to be our y-intercept. And remember the steps when you're finding the y-intercept is that you want to make the x equal to 0. I'm going to go ahead and erase the work that I've done so far here so that I can move on to my y-intercept. So this time I'm going to look for the x and I'm going to make the x equal to 0. So my x is now taking a turn at equaling 0. Drop your junk. The minus 10 and the equals y. So we're wanting to get y by itself. Y is already by itself. It's all alone on the other side of the equal sign. So we just got to figure out this math and we'll be done. Anything times 0 is 0. So this is gone. And we're done. Our answer is negative 10. Y equals negative 10. Let's go ahead and write that as an ordered pair with a little x and a y so that we can graph it. So our y-intercept, the y value was negative 10. And we got that after making the x equal to 0. When I graph this, it's going to look like this. On my x-axis, I have negative 2. I'll make a point there. And on my y-axis, I need to go all the way down to negative 10. Okay, so I need to go on my y-axis all the way down to negative 10. Connect those two dots and you're done. It's a very steep line.